So I've wanted to meditate, and I've always wanted it to happen every day, but I was never consistent, which was frustrating because every time I actually found it so useful. I was always like, wait, why was I so stressed this whole time? Life is good, man. I got this. So I was using a phone app called Medito. Medito is great, by the way. I loved their guided practices, and I liked how they had a streak where you could see how many days in a row where you were consistent. But the problem was that now I sometimes wanted to meditate somewhere else and still have this streak go up. I still wanted it to count. Or I also just wanted to not be reliant on my phone in general. So I'm like, okay, well, there's habit trackers. Yes, that's true, there are. But I felt like that was overkill because over time, I found meditation to really be the only habit that I both A, wanted to do every day, and B, wanted to track every day. I really only cared about tracking meditation. So then I'm like, okay, I gotta build my own thing. I bought the domain imeditated.com, and then I got to work. So this is what it looks like. We're on imeditated.com. If you're not logged in, it'll just tell you, hey, log in to meditate, which you can do so here. And then you can go ahead and make an account if you don't have one yet. And then you can use your email. You can use a fake email if you want, like fake email at nothing.com. That will still work. Like you can use, as long as you have at something.com, it'll let you sign up and make an account, but just if you lose your password, good luck. So go ahead and make an account or sign in with Google. So I'm going to go ahead and just enter mine. And then bam, okay. I've meditated for 20 days in a row and 20 times in total. So then I get like a little well done, a little thank you message basically. And yeah, I can go ahead and click on my like little profile icon, and then I can go to my history, and then this shows all of the past meditation sessions I've had. So this is today, and then this was all the way from June 6th. And I can go ahead and just quickly remove today if I want to. Just for an example, I can go back to the homepage, and then if I haven't meditated yet for the day, this is what it would look like, right? So there's a little mark complete button, and then let's say I did, bam, you get some little confetti go in there, and you've crossed it off. And then if you go back to your history, it's back here, and then you can go ahead and manually like figure out, hey, like which way did I meditate? So I chose like, oh, I just meditated by myself silently, and I did that for 5 minutes, and then you can add a little note here as well if you want to. So I'll go ahead and hit save, and then if I go back, I also have this little message here. But yeah, now it's updated on this card. And yeah, if you want to log a previous session, you can go ahead and do that. So I can choose like, hey, maybe I meditated on the 5th and I forgot to mark that. And I can just add the details here as well if I want to, and then hit mark, and then bam, there it is. We added the session there. So I think it's pretty cool that you can go back and add them, but I'll just go ahead and delete that because I actually didn't on the 5th. I really did for all of these days though. It's pretty cool. Some of them weren't very long, like this was only for 1 minute, and then I think some of them were a bit longer, like this one was 7 minutes, and then this one might have been 2 minutes, okay, 6 minutes. But yeah, it's all there just for yourself. It's completely free. There's no cost. There's nothing to it. It's just really just there for you to track if you want to track it. You can also go to the account settings, and then you can change your like display name. So like basically the name that shows up right here, you can modify that so I can make it Roman on Fire, and then it'll show that there. This is your account email, and then if you want to delete all of your data, so like all of your meditation sessions, if you want to hard delete it, you can do that with this button here. And yeah, let's not do that. Anyway, so that is an option. And then if you want your entire account removed, there is no way to do that right now in the website. So you can go ahead and just DM me on Instagram, or maybe like message me on Discord or Twitter or something like that, and I can go ahead and have that removed for you if you want to. But yeah, that is currently the website. It's very simple. And yeah, if you have any feedback on it, anything you like or dislike, go ahead and drop a comment or just let me know. And yeah, that's it.